Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the 12 days of
Christmas.
That's right. Yeah, ooh, that wasn't even planned. Good job. Today is the first day of the 12 days of Christmas, and the gift for you is brought to us by Arc Audio. Now, as said, a couple rules. One, unfortunately, this one has to be in the continental U.S. That means no Alaska, Hawaii, Canada, anywhere else, just the U.S. And the reason why is this thing is heavy.
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look. Look at that. It's like snow. Yay. All right, don't make too much of a mess because we got to clean it up. We got to put it all back into this when we're done.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah. So as you can guess, it's big, it's rectangular, it's covered in black fuzzy carpet. What could it possibly be?
I don't know, man.
I don't know, I'm totally...
A TV?
Yeah. He found the heaviest thing he could send us. Come on, you can do it, man.
Dude,
You can do it.
Heavy. Oh my god.
Alright, set it up here. Can you do it? I mean, come on, the UPS guy managed to do it.
Wow.
Hit it. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Dang, that's nice.
That is beautiful.
Alright, so when I talked to Brian and I said, hey man, let's do the 12 days of Christmas, he says, how about some subwoofers? And I said, how about some subwoofers? And he goes, do you want a box too? And I go, sure. So we have a box. So this box is an Arc Audio 1-ohm box. It's black carpet. It has Arc Audio embossed in the top. Let's take a look at the size so you can see if it'll fit. It is 28.
14.
Yep. By how deep? Man, roughly 15.
15 feet, yeah.
15 feet.
Yeah.
Yep, 15 feet. All right, so that's what we have for the box.
Yeah.
Let's pull out one of these woofers and see what it looks like. The excitement of watching a subwoofer get unscrewed. Ooh. Now, I don't know what series Arc this is, so we're gonna find out at the same time. Dun, 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 dun. And these are 12s, by the way, if you hadn't picked up on that. All right. And this is the X2 12-inch 12D4 V2s. Yeah. Sorry, let me just get in there and take a, yep. So you're gonna get 2 of these. This set.
And the box.
The box, the whole thing, delivered to you. Box is really nice. Mono chamber, got a divider in the middle. Yeah, looks good. All right, how do we win this? Well, naturally, you're gonna have to do a little bit of something. And here's the question that they would like you to answer. What TV star was the face of Arc Audio? What TV star was the face of Arc Audio? A. Homer Simpson. B. Elvis Presley. C. Chip Foose. Or D. Dean Bayette. You're going to email us, subject matter arc, at dandfchristmas@yahoo.com. The answer, so pick one and email it to us. And like I said, this is only going to be available for the continental US. I apologize, but this box is heavy.
Now the winner is gonna be announced tomorrow
Night.
Tomorrow night
6
from
o'clock.
6 to 6:30 around that time.
On the regular talk show that we do every Saturday night. So this is up, it's 5:30 in the morning right now while you're seeing this.
Yeah.
6:30 tonight, we will draw randomly one person to win this.
Yes, that's
this
right.
This gift from Arc Audio will be yours. How exciting is that, guys?
All right.
Pretty exciting. So that's all you have to do to recap. Continental US only because it's heavy.
Yeah.
You're gonna win this Arc Audio box with X2 12-inch woofers. 2 of them. It is a 1-ohm load.
Yeah, 1-ohm load.
The measurements we already told you. How do you win? You answer the multiple choice question. You email us subject matter ARC, A, B, C, or D.
That's right.
That's it. Now, how many times can you enter? What do you need to do? If you got an email address, you can email us an answer. Okay?
That's right.
That's it. Okay? I will
right.
suggest this though. If you one of those guys that has like 5 email addresses, don't email us all at the same time, okay? Put maybe one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one at night. You have a better chance of winning. I'm just saying. That's my tip for you, and that's the only tip I'm gonna give you. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck, Merry Christmas, and hopefully it could be you. Not you,
Christmas.
the guy behind you, that guy. 12 Days of Christmas has officially started. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you tonight.